Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to publish OData in Mendix. So let's start. This is our domain model. So just go to here, right click on this module, go to other and select publish OData service. Give the name POS and I am publishing for customer. So give the name customer, click OK. And after this here add entities. So I am selecting customer, select this, click, and here we have to select one key attributes. So you can select anyone. For key attributes, we have to select unique identifier. So I'm selecting this one, click OK. In, for this tutorial, I am selecting readable and updatable, and now click OK. For this error, just go to here setting and just select require authentication no. Authentication we will cover in the upcoming videos. Just save this in the application. So so if you want to so if you want to use this OData like API, so just go to here and double click on it and copy this URL and go to Postman. Here just paste this and select get method and click on send. You can see we are able to get our all data which are available in this entity. So just go to my Studio Pro. Now we will publish OData for association entity. So just right click on it, go to other, and here click on publish OData service. Give the name POS author book. Click OK. Click on add and add a select author entity, and you can see here key attributes for identify. Click OK. For this entity I am also selecting readable and updatable, and I'm keeping it by default. Just click OK and add another entity. Select your book entity, and for this I'm selecting key attributes identifiers. Click OK and I'm selecting updatable and keeping it by default. Click OK. After clicking OK on association entity, we will get a pop-up like click on yes, and you can see if you select author, you can see this one. If you select book, you can see this. And for this error, just go to here and off, select no. Now save this and run the application. If you want to read only author entity, just double click on it and copy this link. Just copy this URL, open Postman, and here paste it. You can see author data here. Now go to MX Studio Pro. If you want to read only book entity, just double click on it, copy this URL and paste here. You can see book data. If we want to read multiple entities in a single URL, then we have to use expand queries. So how we can use this. Just write question mark and dollar expand and then equal to and open this a- and copy this name and pass after equal to, and now click on this. By this method we can read both entities data in a single URL. Suppose if we change the name like book, it will give the error. You can see the error. And suppose if we have multiple entities, then how we can pass after expand. So just after first entity name, just write the comma and pass another entity name like author one comma like customer etc.